Credit cards look like financial freedom, but in reality, they're one of the biggest traps set by banks. Today, we'll expose the hidden truth behind credit cards, why most Americans stay stuck in debt, and how you can finally break free. Here's how it starts. You get approved for a shiny new card. First year, maybe 0% interest. You start swiping. Groceries, gas, even vacations. Suddenly, your $500 bill grows into $1,000, $5,000, or more. Why? Because banks rely on one thing: compound interest, but against you. Credit card companies make billions from late fees, annual fees, balance transfer fees, and the killer, interest rates. The average APR in the US is now over 20%. That means if you only pay the minimum, a $1,000 balance could take years to clear, costing you double or triple the amount. Here's the dark truth. Banks don't want you to pay off your balance. They want you trapped. The longer you stay in debt, the more they profit. In fact, in 2024, Americans paid over $150 billion in credit card interest and fees alone. That's money taken straight from your pocket to Wall Street. So how do you escape? Step 1. Stop using credit cards for wants. Use them only for needs, if at all. Step 2. Pay more than the minimum payment every month. Step 3. Tackle the highest interest card first. Step 4. Consider a balance transfer or debt consolidation, but only if it saves you money. Credit cards can destroy your financial future if you don't play smart. But if you use them wisely, you control the system, not the bank. For more real money-saving tips, subscribe to Profit Pulse Daily. Drop a comment with your biggest debt struggle and share this video with friends who need to hear this truth.